Hot turkey curry salad. A side dish from South Africa. Serve 6. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. In a 12-inch frying pan or 5 to 6 quart pan over medium-high heat, stir oil, onion, ginger, and garlic until onion is limp, about 8 minutes. Add curry powder, cumin, and cayenne. Step 2. Stir until spices are fragrant, meatball mixture about into 1-inch balls and drop. Add 3 cups broth and bring to a boil over high heat. Cover and simmer over low heat until meatballs are no longer pink in center. Cut to test, 6 to 8 minutes. Step 3. In a small bowl, mix cornstarch and 1/3 cup broth. Add to pan, stirring until sauce boils, about 2 minutes. Add salt to taste. Step 4. Mound rice on dinner plates, surround with spinach and spoon meatballs and sauce over rice and spinach. Add chutney and yogurt to taste. Step 5. Turkey meatball mixture. In a bowl, mix 1 pound ground lean turkey, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup fine dried breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/3 cup chopped onion, Step 6. And 1 teaspoon salt. Apricot-lemon chutney. Rinse 1 lemon, 6 ounces. With a vegetable peeler, pare yellow skin from lemon and finely chop. With a knife, cut off and discard white pith. CountryReports. Coarsely chopped lemon, discarding seeds. Travel. In a 1 to 2 quart